Crochet heart-shaped bralette. Part 1. Crafting the heart motif.
So this project will be a very pretty crochet summer top, which will be in the shape of a heart, and we will create with all this beautiful yarn different shapes of hearts. There will be small, medium and big, and 5 different shapes of flowers. So I will show you how to do all of them first of all, and then I will show you how we'll assemble it. As you know, I like starting from the middle of the yarn ball. Sometimes it may be a little bit messy. Trying to get the middle out, and then it's easier once we are there. Let's make the smaller heart, and we'll start with a magic ring. We'll chain 1 and then chain 3. We will do 3 treble crochets. Then we'll do 3 double crochets. We will chain 1 and do 1 treble crochet. Chain 1, we'll do 3 double crochets. Next we'll do 3 treble crochets. Now we'll chain 3 and we'll slip stitch here. So now we will pull, we'll chain 1 and fasten, and then we'll cut. So now we will pull and close the magic ring, make it nice and tight. Here is our first small heart. So what I'll do, I'll tie it so it will stay like that. I'll show you how I like doing them. So then I will fit this here, just hide them. We'll do this from this side. Here is our first hat. This is how I like them, nice and clean. So you can make different colors of this small heart depending on the size of the vest you're making. That means that you can make different and more pieces of each of these little figures. I will show you later on how we will do it, so you can roughly know how many you can do. To create the medium heart, we will need to do a small heart as we did earlier, and when we finish here with the slip stitch in the magic ring, we need to chain 3. And then we're going to work, we'll do a slip stitch here in the first, in the 3 chain from the previous round. We will do 7 single crochet increase, so we work again in this one. Then we'll come here. So we will skip this chain 1 and we will work in this treble crochet from the first round. We'll work 3 single crochets. And then we will do 7 single crochet increase. we'll chain 3 and we will do a slip stitch here. Chain 1 and fasten. This is our medium heart and we'll do the same. So you can see the difference. It has a second round on the top. Create the big heart, we again start with the pattern of the small heart and then we chain 3 and we do a slip stitch here. Then we chain 3 and we create 7 double crochet increase. So in each of these stitch we'll put double crochet increase. And now we skip this one chain space, and in the treble stitch here from the first round we do 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet. So we have 3 stitches in one stitch, and now we continue with double crochet increase 7 times around this end. going to chain 3, slip stitch in the center, chain 1 and fasten. Tighten the back. So here are our 3 sizes of hearts: small, medium and